Are you sick of seeing me yet? No? Good, because I'm back. All right. So, I have the astounding privilege of sharing with you something that I am ridiculously excited about. And that is, are you ready for it? I'm only going to show you if you tell me that you're ready for it. Okay, good, because, I don't want to show you something that you're not prepared to receive and have you faint. So make sure you're sitting down. Sit down. You're sitting down? All right, here we go, guys. Look what I got. This is the Dream Coffee Factory, okay? And it's by ROKR, ROKR. And I'm going to see if I can flippity-floppity this thing because I have to film from my forward-facing camera to look at you. I don't know. Look, okay? But it does say Dream Coffee Factory. Dream Coffee Factory. If you can read backwards, okay? And it's by ROKR. ROKR. So, I'm so excited. They did sponsor me, and they reached out to me for a collaboration, so I'm just over the moon thrilled. Hold on. Let's open it. Hold on, okay? Hold on. Okay. I'm going to pop open this bad boy. Ooh, look, it's like a shoebox, I think. Yes, okay, like a puzzle box, regular box, gift box, it's a box. But, wowzers, guys, wowzers. And look at this, instructions, because clearly, holy guacamole, this is, okay, guys, I don't know if you can see this. This is like a good quarter inch thick. And holy cannoli, it's tiny. There's tiny writings in there. Oh, Osanosa. I'm excited and scared at the same time because holy cannoli. Okay, well, I've never done one. And that's like the thrilling part of it and also the holy cow, what did I get myself into part of it. So we have, I guess, this top section that's in the box, and it looks like it might be like the base part of it. Like, I don't know. I could be lying about what it is. I don't know. But look at that. It's so cool. Are you excited? Because I know I am. And then something in what languages? And then safety instructions. Guys, safety instructions are very valuable. And then some film. If you're old enough like me to remember film. And then I'm just going to pop this out so that y'all can see. It's like a little container, majiggy mabobby, of all the little bits and bobs. So, like bits and bobs. And I don't want to do too much like taking it out of order or whatever because I don't know. And like, look at how cute this is. And then it lights up. Look at that. Mechanical stuffs. Like it has mechanical stuffs. All right. Look, mechanical stuffs. I'm not a mechanic. Although I have been practicing because my 3D printers have been requiring some attention lately. So I have been needing to get in there and use like Allen wrenches and stuff like that. Yes, Allen wrenches. I know what they're called. But anyway, guys, so I'm only putting it back because I gotta like get my brain around the instructions and I gotta read like the safety stuff and like all that stuff and like figure out what the heck it is that I'm getting myself into with this. But I'm excited. So if you guys are into like the miniatures, which I didn't know I was apparently a miniature girl, but if you're into these builds, stick around because I will be making this one and I'm so excited to do so. So this is my first look. Kind of like, on your wedding day, like we didn't have this back in the day when I got married the first time, but like kind of like on your wedding day when you like go give your spouse to be like that first look of you all dolled up. How exciting that must have been back in the day. Wasn't for me because the first dolled up look was when I walked on in when he was up in the front and I was in the back and the doors opened and then everyone went. I don't know what they went because I was like, holy cow, I want to get in the car and go home. Anyway, we're going to make this, y'all. We're going to make it. Stick around. Love you. Bye.